Hey everybody, Darren Schwengler here from SBS. I'm here to talk to you about what's under the hood of the Blendtec Stealth 885. Okay, so we want to start off with the internal workings of the Blendtec. It's pretty amazing unit, so well designed. Let's start with a new tactile push pad. Blendtec changed this a few years ago. This one here, basically you can feel the buttons and their bubble and you can just push on them and it'll engage. This unit here will give you your 6 different blend cycles, plus you have your pulse, and then of course your programming buttons here that I'll explain a little bit later on. So this is a great unit. In fact, when operators are operating, they can actually touch and feel and know which button they're pushing onto right away. Blendtec actually makes all of their own boards. And this one is quite a work of art. They build them, they test them, and before they install them. And you'll see this one here has the display right here for the display that's on the front of the machine. So it's a great board, super easy. Should there be a problem, very easy to put in and replace. Okay, time for the power. The Blendtec motor. This motor is a peak of 3.8 horsepower. It's got some weight to it. It's got an onboard fan on the bottom here that helps cool it in between or during blends, as well as the drive socket right here is welded to the motor. Now that's right, so it's welded. So this is your drive socket right here. So the beauty of this is any power that your motor creates is actually directly at the drive socket. So you have no clutches or any rubber that's taking away power from your blenders. The jars. The Blendtec Stealth comes with 2 wild side jars. And the wild side means the 5th side. What the 5th side does is actually takes the vortex from the middle of the blender and moves it off to the side. So it actually will draw the product down. So this will blend more product faster than other jars out there in the marketplace. Imitated, but never truly copied. And it's just been a fantastic jar for us. And it's been our mainstay for quite a few years now. So that fifth side has been a game changer. But the machine comes with soft-sided lids. The beauty of these lids are they seal very nicely. And when you put them on, they actually will seal quite well. And they're easy and pliable and come off super easy. So it doesn't slow down your operation. When you go over and have a look at our sound enclosure, this has been a game changer and such a big part of the Stealth. The rubber housing around the sound enclosure goes around not only the base, around the hooks on the base of the blender, seals the door shut and everything else. So it cuts down your noise just drastically. This little piece on the top here, funny, it's not just for looks. It's actually, there's a tab on here. And what it does is it pushes down and it just rests on top of the lid to make sure that it's not coming off and moving around too much. Now the Stealth comes itself with 46 canned pre-programs in it. All kinds of different blend cycles, starting slow, going fast, starting fast, slowing down. All the blends you can think in between. If none of the blends in here produces the final product you want, we can custom create blends through a program we have called Blend Wizard, and we can upload them through a USB into the blender and then produce the same results. And the last thing I want to say is we can actually pre-program these to your specifications. If you're a multi-unit type location, we can actually pre-program them to your specifications ahead of time before shipping, or we can certainly work with you and develop a program with you during the process. So that's the Blendtec Stealth 885. It's a fantastic unit, and it'll be the last blender you'd ever want to buy.